Hello, boys. Before we begin with today's lesson, there's a small activity for you. Some pictures will be shown. You have to identify those pictures and we have to write the first letter of the picture in the box given below. So, which is the first picture? Yes, it is of an ant. So, the word ant begins with the letter A. So, we will write A in the box. Which is the next picture? Yes, the king of jungle, the lion. So, lion, the word lion begins with the letter L. So, we will write L in the box. Third picture is of which bird? Yes, it is our national bird, peacock. So, the word peacock begins with the letter P. So, we will write P in the box. Which is this animal, boys? Yes, it is a horse. So, we will write H in the box given. Which is this picture? Yes, it is of an aeroplane. So, we will write A as the word aeroplane begins with the letter A. Which is this picture? Yes, this picture is of a bear. So, we will write B in the box given. Which is this animal? Yes, it is elephant. So, we will write A in the box given. Which is this animal? Yes, this is our national animal, tiger. So, we will write T in the box given. Now, in the next line, which is the first picture? Yes, it is of a snail. And the word snail begins with the letter S. So, we will write S in the box given. Which is this bird, boys? Yes, it is an ostrich. So, we will write O in the box given. Which is the next picture? Yes, it is of a nose. So, and the word nose begins with the letter N. So, we'll write N in the box given. Which is the last picture? Which is that animal? Yes, it is giraffe. The word giraffe begins with the letter G. So, we'll write G in the box given. Now, let us together read the words that we have formed. Yes, the words are alphabet song. So, boys, today we are going to learn a poem from Unit 6, Lesson 1, Alphabet Song. Listen, repeat, read and sing. A ate an apple, B bounced a ball, C cut a carrot and D dressed a doll. E eats eggs and F falls flat, G grows grapes and H hangs a hat. I is on an island, J jumps and jogs, K keeps kittens and L lifts logs. M makes mistakes and needs a nurse, O obeys orders and P patches a purse. Q queued up quickly. R rolled and rose. S spoke slowly and T touched his toes. U uses an umbrella. V has a violet van. W washes windows whenever he can. X hides in boxes. Y says yummy and you. Z says zig zag zoom. Hooray! We are through. So, boys, in this alphabet song, the letters are doing an action. Each letter is doing an action. And the action that they are doing resembles their letter. Like A ate an apple. The words ate an apple has the letter A. B bounced ball has the letter B. C cut a carrot. The words cut, carrot begin with the letter C. D dressed a doll. The words dressed and doll begin with the letter D. E eats eggs. The words eats and eggs begin with which letter? Yes, they begin with the letter E. F falls flat. The words falls and flat have the letter F in it. G grows grapes. The words grows and grapes begin with the letter G. H hangs a hat. The words hangs and hat begin with which letter? Yes, they begin with the letter H. I is on an island. The word island begin with the letter I. Boys, what is an island? Island is an area, is a land which is surrounded by water from all the four sides. J jumps and jogs. So the words jumps and jogs have the letter J. K keeps kittens. The words keeps and kittens have K in it. L lifts logs. The words lifts and logs has the letter L in it. M makes mistake. The words makes and mistakes begin with the letter M. N needs a nurse. The words needs and nurse begin with the letter N. O obeys orders. The words obeys and orders begin with the letter O. P patches a purse. The words patches and purse begin with the letter P. Q queued up quickly. The words queued and quickly have Q in it. R rolled and rose. The words rolled and rose begin with which letter? R. S spoke slowly. The words spoke and slowly have the letters S in it. T touched his toes. The words touched and toes have which letter? Begin with which letter? T. U uses an umbrella. The words uses an umbrella begin with which letter? Yes, they begin with letters U. V has a violet van. Violet van, the words begin with the letter V. W washes windows. The words washes and windows begin with the letter W. X hides in boxes. The word boxes has X in it. Boys, there are very few words that start with the letter X, but there are many words which have letter X in it. Y says yummy and you. The words yummy and you begin with the letter Y. Yummy and you. Z says zig, zag, zoom. So the words zig, zag, zoom begin with the letter Z. Hooray, we are through. So we have finished with all the 26 letters. Now I will sing this alphabet song. A ate an apple, B bounced a ball, C cut a carrot, and D dressed a doll. E eats eggs, and F falls flat, G grows grapes, H hangs a hat. I is on an island, J jumps and jogs, K keeps kittens, and L leaves logs. M makes mistakes and needs a nurse. O obeys orders and P patches a purse. Q queued up quickly, R rolled and rose. S spoke slowly and T touched his toes. U uses an umbrella, V has a violet van. W washes windows whenever he can. X hides in boxes, Y says yummy and you. Z says zigzag zoom, Z says zigzag zoom. Hooray, we are through. Boys, did you all like the song? Now let us together read the poem. Alphabet song. A ate an apple, B bounced a ball, C cut a carrot, and D dressed a doll. E eats eggs, and F falls flat, G grows grapes, and H hangs a hat. I is on an island, J jumps and jogs, K keeps kittens, and L lifts logs. M makes mistakes and needs a nurse. O obeys orders and P patches a purse. Q queued up quickly, R rolled and rose. S spoke slowly and T touched his toes. U uses an umbrella, V has a violet van, W washes windows whenever he can. X hides in boxes, Y says yummy and you, Z says zig, zag, zoom. Hooray, we are through. Now, boys, there is a worksheet for you in which there are some questions. So, the first question is, we have to fill in the missing letters. The first one, A is given, then there are 3 boxes and the letter which is given is E. So, which letter comes after A? Yes, B. After B, C and then D. So, A, B, C, D, E. Second one, O. Then 2 boxes are given and R. So, which is the letter that comes after O? P. After P comes Q. So, O, P, Q, R. Third one, F. Then 3 empty boxes are given and the letter which is given at the end is J. So which is the letter that comes after F? Yes, G. Then comes the letter H, and after H comes the letter I. So F, G, H, I, J. Now the question 2 is we have to tell the next letter. Which letter comes after M? Yes, the letter N. Which letter comes after the letter J? The letter K. Which letter comes after N? The letter O. N, O. And last one, which letter comes after the letter V? Yes, the letter W. Now we have to tell the letter which comes before. Before the letter B comes the letter, yes, A, the letter A. So A, B. Which letter comes before M? The letter L. L comes first, then the letter M. Which letter comes before the letter S? The letter R. R, S. Which letter comes before the letter Z? Y. Y, Z. Very good, boys. Boys, read the alphabet song from your Balbharti textbook, page 51 and 52, 3 times. Thank you, boys.